MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
The 2019 Volkswagen Arteon takes the VW DNA to a stylish new level. It replaces the CC as Volkswagen's flagship, but is supported by the new MQB architecture. This sleek cruiser sits low and wide, as if ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. The Arteon shares the CC's coupe-like profile. Beneath the creases and clamshell hood that stretches across the entire width of the car is a 268 horsepower, 2-liter turbo i4. It's matched with a crisp shifting 8-speed automatic, sending power to the front wheels or all four. The Arteon feels very solid. There is a sense of heft in the style of a Grand Tourer, but the sportiness we've come to expect from Volkswagen is definitely here. Throttle response is good, there's plenty of power, there's also that nice low-end torque we've seen in other Volkswagens. The light steering precisely maneuvered through the curves during our 200-mile drive around Santa Barbara, California. McPherson struts up front and a 4-link independent suspension in the rear easily soak up the bumps. The adaptive damping quickly reacts to whatever is rolling under the rubber and works with 5 different drive modes. Out here on the road, the Arteon handles well. It not only looks planted, it feels planted. The adaptive damping naturally becomes firmer in sport mode, but really whatever drive mode you choose, comfort is clearly the priority. The modern interior is more upscale than the Arteon stablemates, with a wide dash, familiar controls, and plenty of soft touch materials. The digital cockpit brings more technology to the roomy cabin, with a navigation screen right in front of the driver. The wheelbase is 5 inches longer than the CC and more than an inch longer than the Passat. Space has been scooped out of the headliner, so there's a generous amount of head and legroom back here, despite the sloping roofline. The rear hatch makes it easy to get to the trunk, concealed by the broad rear fascia. So the 2019 Volkswagen Arteon takes the lead in the lineup, with European driving dynamics wrapped in head-turning looks that make it stand out among the vehicles wearing the VW badge. On sale now, the price starts at less than $36,000.